Nothing earth-shattering here, but I was going to be doing some mowing today, and I noticed one of my front wheels was flat, and I kind of heard a pop when I was loading it, and I think it was really low on air pressure, and it basically just came off the bead. Now normally I wouldn't be too worried about that, just air it back up and be going, although why is it low? But there's also some dry rot. So I know at least I need a new tire at the moment. Trying to find another tire and then getting this one unmounted and remounted can be a bit of a pain if you're not in good practice, and I haven't done this in a while. So I hoped I could just get a whole wheel assembly, the rim, the tire, and everything already mounted, just swap it out, and also get an extra tire and then swap the tire out, and I'll just have a spare. Went by the actual Bad Boy dealership, or one of the Bad Boy dealerships in the area. I mean, that's the main thing that they sell, is everything Bad Boy, from tractors on down. They've also got Ferris, lawnmowers, zero turns and stuff, and probably some other things. So I go in there, and this is a 2019 MZ Magnum, and they did not have it. So the Bad Boy dealer that sells basically everything Bad Boy did not have the part. They suggested I go to one of the tire shops and see if they had a tire. Okay. Well, we've also got Buckeye and Tractor Supply. Buckeye didn't have it, but Tractor Supply did. Tractor Supply had the same tire, and they had it in two different versions. They had a, quote, universal run flat, so no air, and it had bushings. I'm not a big fan of bushings. Bushings don't last that long. But then they had this one, and so this is the regular air up tire, and it's for a 5/8 pin, bolt, whatever you want to call it. I wasn't sure what size I had, but it does also have the bearings, actual bearings, instead of bushings, which is much, much better. So I thought, what the hell? I went ahead and grabbed that, but I also grabbed the extra tire, and they were on the shelf at Tractor Supply, and they had more than one. So I get down here, and to take it off, it's really just one bolt. So you've got a bolt on that side, you got the bolt that comes all the way through with you know, the nut, and it's a 19, and I didn't have two 19s, so a 19 and a 3/4 will work on that. Just back it off, pull the nut out, pull the bolt out, and see where we're at. So here's the bolt, and as you notice, it is a little bit loose. It will work in a pinch. It is not ideal. So that either means that I need a smaller hole on this, or I would have to get a larger bolt and probably have to drill out the bolts on the other side. Not ideal. However, I did notice on the old one that came out, there seemed to be a pipe in the middle. Okay, that can be knocked out, and that is essentially your bushing that will go through here. And since it came out of the other one, whoops, went all the way through, we know that it will work. So I'm not too worried about the fact it's black and it's not orange to match. The grass that I'm cutting does not know, does not care. So now it works. So I would bet that now I have to go after it. I would bet, I think this was about $54 for this whole assembly. I would bet it would be that much or more at the dealership. So don't discount your Tractor Supplies. I know that sometimes they're a little bit more expensive than especially Amazon on a lot of things, but if they're in town and they got it on the shelf and they can get you up and running fast, that's what you need to do. So now I just have to roll this back through here, get the holes lined up, put that bolt through there, tighten it up. I'm off to the races. I'll do my mowing, and then at some point in the next week or so, I will try to get this tire off and put the new one on if I can, and we'll see how many cuss words come out. And there we have it on. Very quick. Just used a little bottle jack to jack it up so that I didn't try to have to hold up part of the lawnmower while I'm getting the bolt in place. Now I got to double check. If for some reason this tire is a little bit taller than the other one, then this one's getting old anyway. It might need to be replaced. But for the most part, I'm not doing this commercially. I'm not trying to do perfect lawns. This thing's as much a bush hog as it is a lawnmower out here in the rough, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, I mean, if you've got a bottle jack, you got the wrenches, Tractor Supply, grab that, and should be able to get that changed out in about 5 minutes. You know, maybe 10 minutes at the most. Quick, easy peasy.